So in this video I want to show you how to use um, the Neuroflip boat or the profit boat for yes, profit boat properly, right? I noticed that so many of you are actually making some mistakes, right? And which I really want to correct now using this video, right? So I will advise that you follow me through to the end of this video. So for you to start, I want you to understand that this bot works when your data is on. The bot works when your data is on. The bot works when your data is on. Please put that in mind. Alright, so how do you go about using the Neuroflip bot or the profit bot to make money for yourself without you having to do anything? Is what I want to show you now. Now, the first thing you have to do is I'm going to send you a stuff like this, right? And the first thing is to watch the YouTube video, and which is what I am recording. And I said, note the bot only trades when data is on. Ensure your data is on. Access with the link below. So this is the access to the bot. Now you can see that this is on Telegram. So if I sent you this write up on WhatsApp, all you just have to do is to copy it and send it to anybody, maybe your friend. You can see this person now. This is crazy magic. I just see him and I sent it to him on WhatsApp, right? So once I send it to him on Telegram, rather, once I send it to him on Telegram, I just tap on the boat. See, just tap on it like this. So you can see that I've been using this boat before, right? So what I want to do now is I want to clear history so I can restart from the beginning. I want to clear history so I can start from the beginning. So how do I clear history? See these three dots here, right? See these three dots here. So just tap on it, then click on clear history. You can see also delete. Just tap on this, also delete, then delete. Right now you can see that the history has been deleted rather. So the next thing you have to do is to start all over again. As you can see that this is start here. So what you have to do, you click on start, right? After clicking on start, you request for access, right? So at my own backend, what I'm going to do is after clicking on start, you see when you tap on request for access, you see what it says. Please send your IQ option registered email address. So you type the email address you used to register on your IQ option account, you send it to the bot, right? So after doing that, the next thing you have to do is to an admin will review your request shortly. So send me the Gmail account, right, and tell me that you have been that you have requested for access, so I can grant you access immediately, right? So I'll be the one to grant you the access, right? So what we are going to do now is let me go grant this person, let me go grant it an access. So let me just quickly go to my back end on my second, right? You can see this is really reports, right? So what I want to do right here is to grant the access. So let me just quickly do it. Access control, pending request. Then you can see here this is feed the AI trader MI. Look at the Gmail here. Then if you use the other Gmail, can you note it will not go? It's for you. So use the exact Gmail account that you used to register the current option account. So I have approved it. So let's go back to my second account, and you can see access has been approved, right? You now have full access to all futures. Since start to begin trading, right? So you just have to do is to click on start. So once you click on start, the next thing you have to do is to connect the app. Like I said earlier, that the app is not yet on Play Store, which is going to take us a whole number of time before we can put it on Play Store, right? But then we have been able to find a way that you can download it without having to have an issue, and which I'm going to be showing you on this video. So all you just have to do right here is to connect app. So once you click on connect app, you wait for more information. Just follow this information. You say download, tap on the button below, install the app, open the downloaded file and tap install. If prompted, allowed, installs from this source. If it's prompted, right, allows installs from this source, that means you have to go to, I'm going to show you that you enter this login code, then step 4, connect your broker, go to settings, broker connection. I'm going to show you everything right on this video, right? So all you just have to do, you tap on this download app, then you open. You see, once you tap on it, see what it shows, then you just have to open, right? Now you see download, just have to click on download. See, in case this thing is not really downloading from your whole end, right, all you just have to do is, so you can click on this 3 button, right? Once you click on this 3 button, go to settings, right? Then when you use the setting, look at the search engine, change it. You can change it to any of these, change it to any of these, right? Change it to any of these, change it to any of these. You can change it to brief search, you can change it to DuckDuckGo, so that you can be able to download the app. So once you change it, ensure that you have all this app on your phone. If either you should change it either to DuckDuckGo or brief search, but ensure that you have any of this app on your phone, right? In case it's not down, I'm just saying that in case it's not downloaded, but in case it's downloaded, just like my own is downloaded now, you can now proceed to install it. Another thing you can do if you are having issues with download is you can easily copy this link. Let's see if I can copy it. Oh, I don't think I can copy it. Let's see again. Download. Oh, see, well, I'm trying to copy this link, right? So once I copy the link, what I want to do is let me see. Okay, you can see now. What did I even press? I'm looking at what I press so that I can show you how to do it. Alright, so you see this download app, I tap on it, like I press it. You just have to press it. Once you press it, just tap on copy, then go to your Chrome. Let's see if I'm just trying it for the first time. Go to your Chrome account. Okay, this is my Chrome, right? So when you get to your Chrome, what you are going to do there is to paste what you have copied there and click on search, right? Just click on search. You see downloading files. You see it's already downloading like that. The goal is just for you to download it. Look at it. You can see the Neuroflip AI bot is downloaded. Just long press it. In case you're unable to download it just by clicking, you just have to long press it and copy. Then go to your Chrome and download it. You can see that it is currently downloading, right? So that's it on that. Then after it has been fully downloaded, then we'll tell you what next to do. But before then, let me quickly pause this video till it's finished downloading. I think the 2 is still downloading. This is the second one, it's still downloading as well, right? So the bot actually works. Let me just tell you the truth, it works. And I will also be showing strategies. So it's going to be the 2 video I'm going to be sending. You can also implement those strategies, right? So that's just one thing that I'll be sending at least 3 YouTube links to you. The first one is how to use the Neuroflip bot. Number 2, in case you're encountering an issue. And number 3, my strategies on how you can use the bot to actually make profit for yourself on a daily basis, which is very, very good, very, very awesome. And I'm telling you, don't have to miss out on this bot, right? Okay, this one has been able to complete. All you just have to do is just tap on it and then install it. Package installer, just install it. Some of you that are having issue, you can see what say, for your security, your phone currently isn't allowed to install unknown apps from this source. You can now change this to settings. Just tap on your settings, then allow permission. It's very, very simple as that, right? Then in case it's not like that from your end, go to your settings and allow your permission. Then once you do that, you click on install. So currently the Neuroflip AI snapper is installing, right? So it has been installed. The next thing is to open. So let me just go and search for it since it has been installed. Look at it here, the Neuroflip sniper bot, right? So this is it. Perfectly. Now look at what it said. Enter the login code. The C0 that was sent via the Telegram bot. So all you have to do right now is to come to the Telegram account, right? Look at the Telegram account here. Now look at this code 494078. So you just type the code there. You are going to see it from your own end too. So all you just have to do is that 494078, right? Then code has expired. Code has expired. Please request a new one, right? So just start out to. All right, so you can see, open the you can see how to get a new code. You can see it here, how to get a new code. Open the Telegram bot for Neuroflip AI Snapper, send the /app command, right? So it's very simple. Just come to your bot and click on /app, just in case your what's it called, your code has expired. So just tap on /app, then you can see another code, right? 978512. You can see that. Very simple and very straightforward, right? There's nothing to do about, right? So what's the new code? The new code is what again? 978512. So let's put that there. 978512. So that is that. So you can see that the bots, we have been able to log into the bot, right, and ensure that you click on this allowed, right? Allowed, very important. You click on this allowed. Although I have an account before, I'm just trying to do a video so you can understand how this thing works, right? So the next thing you have to do is to come on this settings, right? So you change from your hand. When you come to this setting, it's going to be manual, right? Just tap on this place. You can see this place, tap on it, then it's going to change from manual to automatic. You can see now, once I tap it, it changed to automatic. This one is going to be on real account because you are doing the setup on the real account, right? So after that, you are going to set your risk mode. It means how much did this have to be trading for me? Note that this bot does not trade mintigos, right? So depending on the amount you have on your account, please focus on the fixed price, leave the percentage alone, right? The percentage may not work if you have less than $100. So just focus on the fixed price. So you can start, let's say $5, let's say $10, let's say $15. See, you can set your percentage risk based on the amount you have on your account, right? Based on the amount you have on your account. For me, I have had huge money, and that's why I'm using $15. Let's say I'm using $25 because I know my account can carry that, and that's why I'm using this type of amount to start. But if you have a low balance like $10, you should know that you have to use a $1, right? So if you have above, let's assume just what you know you can carry, your mind can carry, right? Just your risk, but the minimum is $1. Please, minimum is $1. Don't go and set 0.29, 0.8. It will not work. Your account is not going to work, right? So that's one. Number two is you input your Gmail. This is my Gmail account. Then you input your password. Let me pause this video so I can put my password. All right, so I've inputted my password. So after I inputted your password, tap on test connection, right? Test connection. Please, when inputting your password, ensure you check. Just click on this thing that look like click on it very well, because most of the reason why we might be getting a failed trade is because of your password sometimes. So ensure it is very important. It is. So, and ensure that you don't have any extra code on your account, on your IQ option account, so that the bot can be able to function perfectly and durably on your account, right? So after doing that, the next thing, after doing the test connections, you have to click on update credentials. So click on update credentials. So credentials has been updated, right? So just tap on back. So once you tap on back, we come here and wait for trades. You can see the first trade, this trade actually failed. You can be getting a failed trade because you did not do your settings. There are so many reasons why this can happen. It happens actually, but it should not be plenty, like having like 20, 25, 30 fake trades is not it. We don't recommend that, right? So the tema, there's a reason for it, which I've recorded a video on it and I'll be sending it right to you. So after setting everything, ensure you're on automatic. Like I said, ensure you're automatic. Ensure you set a fixed price, not a percentage price that your capital can take, which is amount of you want the trade to be picking, right? So this is me picking $15. I think it's $25 I picked too. So I picked $25, right? So let's see if the exchange does not change to $25. All right. Okay. Yeah. So all right. So I'm trying to check if it has changed to $25. Okay, I think it's still. The reason why is like this is on my second phone. I said $15, and I think that I can only allow the permission on the second phone, right? Since I'm using the same account I used to register using the link, right? So I'll have to change it on the second phone. I'm using one of my phones to record this video, so it might actually be like that. So after that, you see signals dropping on this signal history. You can see one has dropped but it's failed. See, getting a failed trade doesn't mean that you lose the trade. I think you should understand, getting a failed trade doesn't mean you lose the trade. It means that the trade does not execute on your account. So another one is going to come in the next 10 minutes, which is going to that one can also execute. So I've already do a video on why you will be getting failed trade most often, right? Most often you can be getting this. It's a normal thing, right? And also I said, if you want to do this thing, you need your account has to be a dollar account. You can't use a naira account to do it. I've recorded a video on it that will show you how to do. So for this, ensure you're on automatic. Ensure you set a fixed price. Ensure your details that you use to register is fully correct. Is correct. See, when you type the password, please ensure that you check it very well so that you can be able to get it. Then you click on update credentials as usual. So after that, then you come to signal to check if a trade has been dropped. So your own is just to do nothing. Check if you're having more successful trades. Like more successful, it's going to be like you are going to see trade executed, right? Trades executed. If the trades are successful, see trades is good. So your own is just to go to your IQ option account, maybe every 6 hours or every 12 hours. You just open and check. You can come here also to check if you are getting an executed trade. Just check at first. Check if a trade picks. Check your app. Check your trading account. If a trade actually picked. If it did not pick, then there must be something you are doing wrong, and we have recorded a video for you on how you can go about it and get it right for yourself. Alright, so one thing I want you to also let you know lastly is this works. This trading works and people are really making money from it, and you can also make money from it as well. If people can do it, you can do it, and you don't have to do anything. Your own is just to check if the trade is performing well or if it is executing on your account. So how do you want to remain profitable? I'll be recording this video this night, right? And we have a group. Please ask me for the group so I can easily add you to the group, and I will send it there. I'll be sending that strategy there. Or if you are new, you are new, I'll be sending the 3 videos. You see, if 3 videos I'm going to be sending, it's going to be like this, just on the Telegram account. This is how the video is going to be. Let me just quickly show you. So once I send it, it's going to be like the first video, how to register, the issues you might be facing, then the strategies. But if you are not new, it's going to be in the Telegram group. Whether you are new or not, just ask for the WhatsApp group where we added people that are using the bots, right? So that's just it. All right, that will be all for now. I want to say thank you for trusting me for building this boat. This boat is a success boat, and of course it's going to give you the profit that you required for yourself. Guys, I want to thank you once again. I really appreciate, and ensure that you implement everything in this video to get the maximum results for yourself that you want. Thank you, and see you on the other side.